Why put too much pressure on Valentine's Day? Let's make it brunchy and let's make it at home. Dutch babies seriously are so easy. You just throw everything into a blender. Some eggs, some milk, some flour, whip it all up. I'm adding orange just for a little pop of flavor. Pour it right into a preheated pan with some butter that's melted into it. It puffs up in the oven. And to make it even better, forget the maple syrup. We're making a raspberry blueberry coulis. Just some simple fruits mixed together with some sugar, heated up, pressed through a sieve, and you have an amazing sauce and the perfect item for your Dutch baby pancake. All this is coming up on today's Wise Guide. Okay, I've told you before, Valentine's Day isn't really that special to me. Okay, yeah, it's probably because I'm not really seeing anyone special, so that probably doesn't help. But also, I mean, I don't know, it's Valentine's Day. I think there's just way too much pressure put on it. You have to have everything perfect. You wanna go out, you wanna go to this amazing place. No, since I have already declared it the year of brunching at home, I think we're gonna make it simple and we are gonna make a little bit of a delicious brunch at home. And you know what? It's gonna be a Dutch baby pancake. I know they kind of look like they're extra special because they puff up and come around the sides and make this big crater-like thing, but you know what? It's extremely easy. You make it all into a blender, you throw everything in, you blend it a little bit, you pour it in the pan, and it does all the work for you. To make this extra special, I decided why just have maple syrup? Just mix together some raspberries, some blueberries, a little bit of sugar, some orange juice, and you have a great sauce. This couldn't get any better, so we better get started so you know what you're doing for Valentine's. To start, you just wanna crack some eggs right into your blender. After the eggs, just add some milk. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, what if I don't have just milk on hand, or what if I have heavy cream? That's what I thought at first. So I'm like, oh, I'll just add some heavy cream, not thinking about how literally heavy it was gonna be. Yeah, so the Dutch baby pancake did not come out very Dutch baby-esque. It just came out kind of like raised, puffy, weird, not like what you want. So let's not substitute here and let's use skim milk. To flavor it, I'm adding some orange zest. The zest really gets that oil in there and orange juice. The juice just adds that nice tang. It's a perfect way to add an extra oomph of flavor. You need just a little bit of sugar. You're not making this overly sweet because that's gonna come from that sauce later, but just enough to kind of balance it out. A little bit of salt because, hello. And just a little bit of flour. Yeah, this isn't too much. You're not making a cake. You're not making a normal pancake. It's gonna be like different. It's gonna be like a Dutch baby pancake. Yeah. Put the blender on high, let it really mix together, incorporate some air into it. That's why I don't have the top on my blender. I like to keep that hole open. And just let it mix for a while. Once it is mixed for about a minute, just turn it off and let it sit. While that is just sitting there kind of hanging out, which is totally fine, you can just make your coulis. Coulis is extremely simple, and I know you're thinking, I hate when you use these words, I don't know what they are. Coulis is pretty much just a fruit sauce that is strained so it doesn't have any solids in it. Yeah, I know. So we'll just call it a fruit sauce, or if you want to sound really cool and impress your date on Valentine's, you'll be like, I'm making this coulis, and they're gonna be like, wow. Right into a small pan, you can just add your raspberries, blueberries, some orange juice. You could use another citrus juice if you want to, but I'm using oranges in the Dutch baby pancake, so might as well use them here too. And some sugar. Yeah, it's that easy. Put it on the stove, stir it around, let it come up to a simmer, and simmer it until it all breaks down. It just takes a few minutes and it's pretty simple. Once all those blueberries have popped, all the raspberries are just kind of liquid, pull it off from the stove, and then put it right into a strainer over like a measuring cup or a bowl. Press it through with a spatula, just kind of work it through really well, make sure all that fruit is broken down, and you're really gonna get some of that good thick sauce out of it. Just set that aside and it can kind of keep dripping a little bit, and now you can just get your Dutch baby ready. About 20 minutes before you wanna bake it, you wanna have your skillet in the oven. So obviously you need a heat-proof skillet. Don't do anything with a plastic handle. Don't do a non-stick skillet. I know mine looks non-stick, but it's not. It can go to a higher heat. You wanna make sure it can go at least 450 degrees because that's how hot the oven is. You don't wanna ruin your pan while you're trying to make a delicious meal for your special someone, or just yourself, because that's probably what I'll be doing. When it's been in there and really preheated, pull it out and just put in some butter. It should melt extremely quickly, swirl it around and make sure it gets all over the pan, and then pour in your prepared batter. Once that batter's in there, just throw it right back into the oven, and now the oven's just gonna do the work for you. That Dutch baby is gonna climb up the sides. It's gonna get really tall, but it's gonna stay soft and almost custardy in the middle. I know, your mouth is watering. So is mine. When your Dutch baby has risen and gotten golden brown all around the edges, kind of gotten bumpy down that middle, but is still custardy, pull it out from the oven, let it cool slightly. Pour that sauce that we prepared into something else just so you can serve it with it, and then serve it up right away. You don't want to just let this sit because it can fall slightly, kind of like a souffle. Pour that sauce on top, some fresh berries, a little powdered sugar. If you really want to go the lover way, you guys can just both eat out of the same pan, all Lady and the Tramp style. Your significant other is gonna be so impressed, and they're gonna think you're amazing. That's right, brunch is the new way to say, I love you. If you agree, make sure to like, share, subscribe. For this amazing recipe, go to the description box, and for more great recipes, make sure to check out wiseguide.com. Until next time, have an awesome Valentine's Day.